Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. We got another good one. It's a 2025 KZ Connect, model number 313MK. So let's get started. The length on this Connect is 36 feet 4 inches. The dry weight is 8,470 with a hitch weight of 1,070 with a GVWR of 9,792. Oh,
yes, guys, this is a good one. This could almost be considered a flat fifth wheel. So if you like the rear living version of fifth wheels but don't want any stairs, this might be a good one to check out. We're going to start up here at the front. But now, hey, if you guys have ever been concerned about leaving your camper at a campground and you need a trailer to hitch lock, hang around to the end of our video and we're going to share a really great product from Proven Industries with you.
yeah, thank them for partnering with J&A.
Yes. Now right up here, your propane bottles are going to be under this cover. Your battery will mount right back there. And here is going to be one side of your pass-through storage. And you'll see that it is pre-wired for solar. Moving on down, you're going to have a little bit more storage right here. Well, actually pretty good storage. This is going to be under your bed. So great place for those folding chairs and things like that. Your dump area right there.
Tankless water heater.
Yes, indeed. And your docking station is going to be here.
All
and
right.
with an outside shower in it. And for those who need to know, these are riding on Goodyear, and this is going to have the BAL exact suspension, and all of the slides are rack and pinion.
Yeah, that's cool.
Right back here at the back, you're going to have some storage. Actually, it's fairly tall. You can get some pretty good size items in there. Coming around to the back, your spare is right there on the bumper. You do have a ladder to access your roof, and it is going to be prepped for a backup camera. Now this does have a hitch back here, but this is going to be for an accessory rack and not for towing. Coming around to your campside, you're going to see that this is equipped with electronic stabilizers.
There's a propane right in there next to it.
Yes, and your quick connect is right back here at the back.
Cool.
And your awnings.
11
11?
and 13.
Oh, right. So that's going to give you really good campsite coverage.
And you know, this has got these big windows, so if you're parked at a lake,
oh
yeah. My goodness.
Yeah, it's going to be great. You can bring a TV outside, got a plug-in cable outlet. And here's the other side of your pass-through. It is prepped for the tire link. You do have a light, and then you've got a light switch right there for your front cap lights.
Yeah.
I don't know how well they'll show up in the...
Oh, I turned them off.
Oh.
There.
Well, I don't know. They may not show up out
Okay.
here. Trust us, they come on.
It's better than ours. We got 3 little blue lights.
We have 3 little blue lights. But they're really cute.
You ready for this one?
All right, let's take a look at it. All right, so coming on in. As I said earlier, this is a rear living, a lot like a fifth wheel setup. So we'll just start here at the back. You're going to have a sofa that's going to make into a bed. So if you have guests over, really good storage across the top. Great for some extra little pillows or blankets. Slow rise blackout shades. And you've got end tables on both sides. There's going to be a plug-in on both sides. And there is some open storage there. Now KZ does have heating in the floor. We have a KZ product. We have heating in the floor. Been using it for 5 years. Not one single problem out of it. So there's your little extra tidbit for the day.
And yes, I take the little things off and clean them every once in a while.
Yes, we do.
So
We have a vacuum just for that. All right, here in your front slide, you're going to have a theater seat. You've got some cup holders with power, USB there in the middle of it. Or you can fold it up, and
Well, I want to
in case
test
you're
out.
watching a scary movie, you can snuggle up with somebody.
Oh my gosh! Well, come here.
This has got looks like heat and is it heat and light or heat and massage? Heat and light, and USB on each one. Nope.
Well, I don't know.
I don't know. We don't know. It's got something though.
That's heat. That's massage.
Finishing out this big front slide, you're going to have a dinette here. This table, of course, will let down. It will make additional sleeping if you have extra guests. Down below, you're going to have storage on both sides.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, pull-out tote. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure that you can order this particular unit with a table and chairs if
Yes.
that's what you prefer. But on your campside, I mean, huge windows here, so you're going to have some great natural light. New for $25. I like these new light fixtures, so they're really sleek and modern looking, and they have redone the valances in here, so they look really nice and updated. Now, when you have a seat on your theater seat, you're going to be directly in front of your TV.
Well,
This is a 40-inch TV. You've got
Yes.
storage up above it.
Does swivel?
It does swivel out. There's not a window back there, so you're not losing a window. You've got some storage here behind a little smoked glass, and then you've got storage there with that drop-down door
Oh, good grief! It's got a.
with a very good spring in
My
it.
goodness.
You also have an electric fireplace down here. That's great for those cooler mornings. And while I'm sitting here looking at this side of the island, let me go ahead and show you that plug-in right there. And you've got some storage right here at the end of it. Getting into your cooking area. You've got a microwave with storage on both sides. A 3-burner cooktop with an oven. There is a drawer below that. You've got 3 drawers over here. And then you've got a cabinet over here that is definitely big enough to put your air fryers and crock pots and yeah, stuff like that. Plug in right up there. Now these are not solid surface countertops in here, but they are very well done. They look really nice. You are going to have a single basin sink here, just like that, with a high-rise faucet. Bank of 3 drawers right there, and storage underneath. Plenty of room for a garbage can. Okay. Now you're going to have a. Pretty sure this is 12 volt.
Yes, it's
Yes.
a Furion.
Yes, 12 volt compressor fridge with the little French doors.
And somebody left it on.
And they always leave it on. And the freezer at the bottom. I
Yeah.
had to stop thinking what that was.
Hey,
Over
wait a
here,
minute.
you're going to have a coffee bar area.
Oh wow, that's a good sale price.
It is a good sale price. We're not going to tell you what it is, but if you want to zoom in, there it is.
MSRP. Wow, that's a good bit off.
Yes.
Sorry, got
And
carried away.
this is a good size camper too, so you're getting a pretty big bang for your buck. Down here, of course, you've got a plug in, and then there's some more storage down here at the bottom.
Wow.
AC unit, it's going to be right up there. And moving on down the hall.
Sorry, I was too looking at the sale price. See if we can come over here and trade ours.
All right, here we are in the bathroom. We've stated this before. We do have a KZ product. Ours is a little older and not as tall.
No,
And
it's not.
so yeah, we're impressed with this because Jeremy's 6 feet tall, plenty of room. This is going to be a what
30 by
size?
36.
30 by 36.
It's
You
the
always-
same thing we've got.
It is, and we like it. See down here, you're going to have a porcelain foot flush toilet, a little bit of an angle there. Mirrored medicine cabinet right up here. Actually pretty good space around your sink and a little bit of space underneath the sink. Now there's not a linen closet in here, so we can't give this one the
Wouldn't
golden
give this
plunger.
a golden plunger. No, sorry.
Your controls are going to be right there, and Your fuses are going to be down below, so they're out in the hall. Moving into the main bedroom. You do have a king-size bed. You've got 2 windows on each side. Now, they do not have blackout shades, but they do have the curtains on them. You've got reading lights on both sides, a shelf on both sides, and then you're going to have a plug-in on both sides. I feel like I'm being very redundant there, but that's okay. Right up here, let me get this open for you. You are going to have a hanging area, or you can use this for a combo washer dryer, or if you are really handy, you could add a shelf in there and use that for shelf storage. At the foot of the bed, you have a storage unit that almost looks like a fifth wheel. I mean, it's just so close to some of the fifth wheels that we've seen. 32-inch TV there in place, storage on both sides, storage down below, 2 small drawers, 2 bigger drawers. Just
wow,
great storage right there.
Let me get the bed here.
Yes. So you do have some storage underneath, and again, if you remember that there was a door to the outside, so you can slide things under there.
Oh my goodness, what a closet.
Yeah, now these front closets, and they give you a light switch right here for your closet. So we'll just look this way first. You actually have some shelves here. There is a long open spot under there, would be great for shoes. Then you have more shelves at this end, a plug-in down there, and then you have this hanging bar all the way across. And lights. You have lights in the closet.
And you get the reading lights now?
Yes.
And we didn't get reading lights when we bought ours.
No.
I had to install our own.
No, and ours was the platinum version, and
Yeah.
we didn't get reading lights.
I done something down there to let you see.
Oh,
You-
yeah.
Well, show everybody what kind of access you got.
Yeah, we don't normally do road mode just because sometimes we don't feel like we really should because we don't work here. But so just so you know, you're going to lose access
Everything.
to everything except your bathroom. You
Yeah.
will be able to get into your bathroom on this.
Yep.
All right,
So-
here I am with my new shirt.
Yeah.
Yay.
Big shout out to our
Master Graphics for
Master
these.
Graphics.
So if you need some shirts printed, check out Master Graphics in Tupelo, Mississippi. They are awesome to work with. All right, well, he's getting that slide back out. I'll give you another quick look around. And tell us what you guys think about these new light fixtures. I think they're awesome.
All right, everybody, if you like this Rear Living KZ Connect, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength, impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.